Want to take your video editing to the next level? Let me show you 11 insane CapCut tricks that will instantly level up your edits and make your videos stand out. These tips are game changers that every CapCut user should know. Ready to enhance your content with professional quality effects and transitions? Let's dive right in and get your videos looking sharper, faster, and more engaging. Did you know you can create a thumbnail in CapCut? First, click on the button labeled Cover, located next to the main layer. This opens a new screen. The interface has been upgraded with more editing tools, similar to Canva. On the left, you'll see options for navigation. Let's start by using one of the available templates. I'll choose something simple for this video. Once you've selected a template, you can remove unnecessary elements and edit the rest. Now, let's change the picture. Click on the image and a white bar will appear. Select Replace, and you'll have two options. Choose from the video or upload from your computer. In my case, I'll pick an image from the video. After selecting my image, I'll adjust it to fit, then click OK. Next, let's edit the text. Clicking on any text opens a menu with options for changing fonts, colors, and more. I'll increase the text size and change the color. One feature I particularly like is the AI-powered background remover, which automatically cuts out the subject and allows further adjustments. There are plenty of other customization options, but explaining them all would require a dedicated video. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. Finally, I'll tweak the thumbnail to my liking. Once satisfied with the result, click Save to keep it on your computer. Just a heads up, a good internet connection is necessary for smooth performance when using the cover editing feature. This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer, especially for those who run faceless recap channels or want to speed up their editing process. Like myself, I know the struggle of sifting through long videos, manually cutting them into scenes. It can be incredibly time-consuming. But with this new feature, that's all a thing of the past. CapCut's AI can now automatically detect and split video cuts with just a few clicks. All you have to do is import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, select it, right-click, and choose Split Scene. Depending on the length of your video, this process will only take a few seconds. Once it's done, CapCut will have neatly split your video into individual scenes, making it super easy to rearrange them however you like. If you're running a faceless recap channel, you'll thank me later for this trick. It cuts editing time in half, letting you focus more on the creative aspects, like the voiceover or text overlays. With a little bit of dedication, and by utilizing features like this, you can easily earn some serious money here on YouTube. Trust me, once you start using the split scene feature, you'll never go back to manual cutting. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel and have been searching all over for the best text-to-speech tool online but can't find one that's unlimited and free, I've got great news for you. Did you know you can use unlimited text-to-speech directly inside CapCut, and it's completely free? Yes, you heard that right. CapCut offers this feature for free to all its users. Simply add a text layer to your video, then go to the upper right corner where you'll find a section called Text-to-Speech. Type in your dialogue, click on the Text-to-Speech option, and you'll see a list of available voices. You can choose from various avatars to generate your voiceover. Feel free to experiment with the different voices until you find the one that fits your channel's vibe. Now, let's listen to some examples of the voices you can use.
This next AI feature in CapCut.
This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer.
This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer, especially for those who run faceless recap channels or want to speed up their editing process, like myself. But with
This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer.
As you can hear, the audio is crisp, clear, and can handle most of the heavy lifting for your voiceover needs. With this handy tool, you won't have to worry about finding third-party apps or spending extra money on professional voiceovers. It's all right there, built into CapCut. Another cool feature CapCut offers is the voice changer, which can add a unique emotional touch to your voiceovers. To use this feature, first, click on your audio clip, and a settings menu will appear in the top right corner. Here, you'll see three options: Basic, Voice Changer, and Speed. Click on Voice Changer, and a new set of options will open up. CapCut provides a range of preset voices for you to explore, including options like Deep, Robot, Chipmunk, and more. Feel free to play around with these presets to find the one that best suits your video's tone or emotion. You can even tweak the pitch settings to further customize your sound. Once you've selected a preset, you can instantly hear the effect it has on your audio. This tool is great for adding variety to your content, whether you want to make a voice sound funnier, more serious, or just more engaging. Let's check out some examples to see how it works.
This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer, especially for those who run
This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer, especially for those who run faceless recap channels.
This next AI feature in CapCut is an absolute game changer, especially for those who run faceless recap channels.
As you can hear, the voice changer does a fantastic job at adding depth and variety to any voiceover. CapCut also offers a fantastic text-to-image generation feature, perfect for creating unique visuals. To access this, first head over to CapCut.com using your web browser. Once on the homepage, you'll spot an AI image generator option in the top left corner. Click on that to get started. You'll need to sign in with your Gmail account to proceed. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main AI tool area. You'll notice three options here: Generate Image, Video, and Music. Currently, only the Generate Image option is available, so go ahead and select that. The interface that appears is straightforward and easy to navigate. All you need to do is enter your prompts describing the kind of image you want, and then hit Try for free. Once you generate the image, you'll notice the high quality of the output, which can be useful for a variety of creative projects, such as social media posts or YouTube thumbnails. If you're satisfied with the result, simply click on the download icon to save the image to your computer. The tool makes it incredibly easy to generate unique visuals without needing advanced design skills. Feel free to experiment with different prompts to see what kind of interesting images you can create. Did you know CapCut lets you export audio and videos separately, or even extract audio from any video in just one click? Here's how to do it. Start by dragging your video clip onto the timeline. Then, right-click on the clip and select Extract Audio. This instantly separates the video and audio into two separate clips on the timeline. To export, click on Export in the top right corner. You'll see two options, Video and Audio. If you only need the audio, turn off the video option and leave the audio on. If you want both, just keep both options enabled. Once your settings are selected, hit Export, and you're all set. This feature is incredibly useful if you're working on projects where you need the flexibility to handle video and audio separately, such as voiceovers, podcasts, or background tracks. Removing the background in CapCut is super easy and feels seamless. Here's how you can do it. First, drag your video clip onto the timeline. Look to the top right, and under the video section, you'll see an option called Remove BG. Once you click it, more options will pop up, and all you need to do is select Auto Removal. CapCut will handle the rest. If the result isn't perfect, you can enhance it by using the stroke feature, which adds an outline around your subject. This helps to sharpen the edges and make the video look cleaner. It's quick, simple, and really useful. In CapCut, you can easily use the Auto Reshape feature to adjust facial features in your videos. Here's how. Drag your clip onto the timeline and look at the top right corner under the video section. There, you'll find the Retouch option. Clicking on it will reveal more settings, and one of them is Auto Reshape. This tool allows you to modify facial features like the face shape, eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrows, and more. You can tweak these features to your preference, adjusting them subtly or significantly to get the look you want. It's a handy way to enhance your video without complicated editing. CapCut includes a handy noise reduction feature that helps clean up your audio tracks. To use it, first drag your clip onto the timeline. Then, head to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the audio section. Under this section, you'll see the noise reduction option. Simply activate it, and CapCut will automatically reduce background noise in your audio. While it might not be the most advanced noise cancellation solution, it can definitely help make your audio clearer by minimizing unwanted sounds. It's particularly useful for reducing minor background noises and enhancing the overall quality of your sound. CapCut offers an auto caption feature that allows users to generate captions in various languages, including English. This tool is highly efficient for saving time, as it automatically transcribes the audio into text. To use it, head to the top left corner of the interface and select the Captions section. From there, choose your desired language and click Generate. It takes a few seconds to create accurate captions, but you can easily correct any mistakes it makes. Once your captions are ready, you can further enhance them by applying custom templates for animation. To do so, navigate to the top right corner under the Text section. Select Templates, and pick your desired style to animate the captions. This feature not only improves accessibility, but also adds a professional touch to your videos. Hey guys, so, you're sitting there, looking at your blurry, outdated images and wondering, how can I bring these to life without breaking the bank? To use the Retouch feature in CapCut, simply head to the top right corner under the Video section and click on the Retouch option. You'll find a variety of tools available, allowing you to experiment and adjust your subject's appearance. This feature is particularly useful for makeup enhancements or touch-ups. Feel free to play around with the different options to achieve the desired look. It's a handy tool for anyone looking to elevate their video editing game.